Yes, hello everyone. Again, another video helping you to use your iPhone in a safe way. Today I'm going to show you how to use the browser Safari in dark mode, private mode. To use it is open your iPhone and go to Safari. This is the normal browsing tabs. If you just look at it in a proper way deeply, you will see here at the bottom the color of these icons is blue square, blue book, blue and blue arrow. This shows that you are not navigating in private browser. That means the browser will remember all what you have done in your phone. The history will be there, the autofill, the passwords and everything. If you don't want this to happen, you don't want your phone to remember what you have done in your iPhone, you might want to do something without any record kept in your phone. So in this case, what you do, just open the browser, then on the left here it says private. Press on private. That's one way to do it, private. Then add a tab. Now you are navigating on a private browser. I agree. So to make sure that you are there in a safe mode, in a dark mode, if you look closely here, the color of icons have changed from blue to white. They are white now. Look, white squares, white book, white, everything is white. So this shows you that you are browsing in a secret browsing. You are using Safari in the way you won't remember anything about what you have done. The other way to do it is, let me close this. Done. If you keep pressing just for a bit here in these icons, press, then close these tabs. Now we are browsing in a, close this, done, and open this in a normal mode while everything is blue, normal mode. So what I should do to access the dark mode in Safari is press for a while on this little icon, then it shows here new private tab. If you do either new tab or new private tab, new tab is normal browsing, everything will be remembered. New private tab is a private tab, nothing will be remembered there. New private tab, then here you go, is only one tab open. I can open more tab, let's say Yahoo for example. Open this, yeah, go, add another one, accept all, cancel, accept. So everything is white again. I am in a private mode. To close the private mode is click on this where it says private, close it, then back to my normal mode, done. Everything is blue again. Or you can just press here and choose to close this tab, that means the private one, or close the normal, all four tabs, the normal browsing which is not private. So I'll close it, close these tabs. I'm normal to normal mode now. Safari is normal, will remember everything in my phone, everything what I have done, any website I've visited or any passwords and data I used. Thank you very much for watching. If you want any more clarification or help, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you again for watching.